Kublai shubun ipi bro, kajing betip namta kinong mare, kebak syat yashmenta kajing mare marathon. Tekandan kajing mare marathon, kepada mau Panlur Scotland Round Safari, Meghalaya. On the occasion of World Tourism Day, kepada organize September, kin organize kandan ka arpui kilometer, ke 10 kilometer, bat kasan kilometer. Pok mau Panlur ma, te yang nepet kijingan kam tagane. Maupanlur Scotland Run Safari, a run to experience the mesmerizing beauty of the place which is called as Scotland of Northeast with 5 lakes and an altitude of 7,000 feet. To promote rural tourism and healthy lifestyle, activity run ka location kada na Maupanlur village, Meghalaya, West Khas Hill district. Ka tarik kada arfra September arja arfsa on the occasion of World Tourism Day. Kategori kidon ka arfui kilometer, ka 10 kilometer, or ka 1 kilometer on a loop of 10 kilometer. Mud ba mare 10 so on 5 ya ka arfui kilometer. All will get race premium dry fit t-shirt, medal, goodie bag, race bib on road hydration support and post race refreshment. All will get e-certificate. Top 3 position holder will get trophy in all categories for 21 kilometer and 10 kilometer stand winners only. There will be only first position award for each categories in 21 kilometer and 10 kilometer, 50 plus but 60 plus, depend upon number of runners in each category. Dehakane ka jinga mare abade kanom don ka cash prize award kan mau ki bokwa banaj mare ba kanom don ka cash prize award kin ai tang i trophy ginong job ka arpoi kilometer ba ka 10 kilometer te namta ki age category bade ki ai tang kawai namta ka arpoi kilometer ba ka 10 kilometer. There will be only first position tang ka position manikong. Tagmut by 5 kilometer kanam ai ere kin ai bai tang pinyo bai kawai ka dry fit t-shirt, medal, goodie bag, kumta race bib, marka e-certificate ba pia ishimanta ba pendep kata timing dai. Pia ban register hilade num takan ne kaling ai hangne te maru kawai marway kan long pras pa tingka marway. Ticket included race t-shirt, medal bib, refreshment, e-certificate and on race deal, luggage storage facility, stand winner, trophy, no cash prizes. Ada bang lupa, ba kenam ai pisare ginong job ki ai tangka trophy. Provided at least 20% for a category wise, only first, second, third. Okay. Te kenmau kitu ki bakwa ban le simantang kalingan bu apa description pila ban register hi lingba ka town script. Namta kane kan long tarik on the occasion of World Tourism Day. Yang atrai tang kane gimtip tulis